welcome to Afolabi channel. Today we are going to talk about how to register as a freelancer on Task Culture. Okay, now we are on the Task Culture sign up page. You want to sign up as a freelancer. Yeah, me now, I'm Achiever Afolabi, my email. No. I've entered my email, I've entered my phone number. I'm Nigerian. You see, it supports different countries. So, I'm Nigerian. As you can see, then my phone number. You see, my language, English. My academic level, bachelor. So I'll click on the next to go section. So to take me to the next page. As a freelancer, my own field is digital marketing. So you see different field: video, audio, programming, tech, translating, different field. Just like Fiverr. The difference is just like this one deals with Naira, doesn't deal with dollar, whereby you'll be looking for other paper or pioneer to withdraw, whereby your account might be blocked any moment. Boom, you lost. But this one they will pay directly to your local account. Let me click on digital marketing. How long? I've been in this field more than 5 years. My website, you all know my website. So once I'm done, I click finish. So yeah, I'll click on yes. You got. So this is my information. You can see here. English bachelor, digital marketing, 5 years. So let's go. So let's go immediately. You see now, it will take me down here. So we are waiting for it to load. You see, I told you can get between can see instant payout. You don't have to wait for a week, 2 weeks like Fiverr, 2 weeks, 14 days before they pay you out. And even within that 14 days, if your seller went back and say, I don't like this guy again, no, because man, he did it, whereas you have delivered good service, Fiverr will automatically cancel your order and return the fund. But this one is not like that. Once both of you had a mutual agreement that, oh, he's very okay, he has finished my services for me and everything, instantly they will pay you your money. They don't wait like this thing, no. Within the next 24 hours, they will pay you your money. Sorry for this pop-up. You see now, as I have told you earlier, for you to register to join finance, you need 399 naira. You see it there, you need a 399 naira. So now, as you can see, I'm already on the sales page that I want to verify my account. So I'll just input my name, which is and my email. See, the amount is automatically, you don't need to change it. You see, I've input it. Once I'll just click on process verification. It's loading. As you can see now it has popped up. I have input my details. So now I want to pay. It's asking me to authorize my PIN. Now I want to enter my PIN. Yeah, it's loading now. You see, it's asking for the OTP they sent to my mobile. So let me check my mobile and enter the OTP. Yeah, I've received the OTP. Let me enter the OTP. Yeah, now I've entered the OTP. Now you see payment successful. If you can see it, payment successful. Now that my payment is successful, you see, thanks for paying. Have you seen it? Thanks for paying. So now that you have paid your 399 naira, yeah, I want to tell you this part is your most important part right now, so that your account will be verified as soon as possible. So this is what you do. Once you are here, you paid, and then you paid payment, to direct you to this page. Once you are in this page, go to your email, the email you used to register. Yeah, the email you put when you want to input your payment details. Yes, the email. Just log in. Like this is my own email. I've logged in. You receive 4 emails from Task Question. The first one was when you registered. This is here. They'll tell you, I Afolabi will receive. This is mine. Yeah. So we don't need this. This is just a welcome. The second email will be based on your payment. You see, payment. You got it based on your payment. You see. So now this is what we need. You need this number here. This number. You see, this number, you need it. So you just write the number somewhere, or you keep it. So you come here to this number. They are all almost. PayPal will also generate the same number for you too. This is it. This PayPal details, transaction details. You see, so it will generate the same number for you. Yeah. So what you do with this number is I have attached my blog post to this, so that you guys can get it, can earn from it. I will attach. You will check the description. You will see the link to this blog post there. I've written a detailed explanation on how you can register and on Task Question and what next you have to do. So I'm scrolling down to save. So yeah, once you have the detail you enter here, this email, that's where they will send it to you. The email you enter when you want to make your first payment of 399 naira. So see, as I have said, now see, you need to send this detail. See, notes. If you can see, say note. You need to send some of this detail. It's not confidential like that. Your name that you use for your registration, your referee. To get your referee, you see, this is what besides the cancelled. Outline it here in red. The 3 email. So this is how you send it. You send it to this. You see, your first name, which is my name, last name, this is it. Your email, which is your email, phone number, and your referee. Do you see it? This number. This is that it's the same thing with this. Can you see? So you can either send it to our contact page, whereby I will drop the link in the description. You should check the description for it, or you can send it to our Telegram channel. This is the link to the Telegram channel for support. So immediately you do that, these 5 details, just immediately you join the Telegram channel, you send it, or click on our contact. And then you do that. This email, we will use this email to reach you back. Make sure this email is a valid email, or the same email you used to register. This means the same email that is there should be here. So then fill in this. 8 plus 10 is 18. sent successfully. So either the way, you can also use our Telegram channel. So now after that, you now come back here so that you can enter your dashboard. Come back to your Freelancer minor page. Just click here. I will advise you to upgrade your account. You see, if not, you can just say no, I don't want a premium account. Immediately it will load you, direct you to another page. Yeah, this one too, a book, marketing book. So if you don't want to as soon, just can just say I don't want to. Just click. But I'm advising you to buy all those books. You see, so immediately you can just start your seller account. So now, guys, you know me now. You've registered now. See the bonuses. Bonuses attached to if you upgrade to premium, and their premium is just once in a lifetime. See, if you know me, I don't joke with anything bonus. You know, I don't joke with it. Immediately I register with my 399. I'm registering with my 999 again. Because of the bonuses, I can't wait so that I'll be unlimited with my account. See, upgrading to your account, you enjoy freedom of client charges. You can charge your client as any amount as you like, but don't forget there's always a competitor. Do you know why I like this platform again? You don't have to source for clients. Buyer, they are the one that will source for buyer for you. And once they source for buyer for you, all what you just do, just upgrade, register, upgrade. After that, you post your services, then they will look for buyer for you. Then after this again, I'll show you again how you create your services very effective, that it will even attract more buyers too. So now I'm going to upgrade my account now with 999. So now, guys, let me register now. 999, just once and for all. After that, see the benefit of premium account for me to charge my client from 3,000 upward. Not my client won't be only Nigeria based. It will come from international too. You get? So, and instant payment. There's no need for me to waiting. You see again, get video training course and materials for free. Can you see that again? So what is it that is disturbing from upgrading? And two, they are also making you to take the benefit of a premium plan for just a month. If you register with 399, they will just allow you to take the benefit of a premium plan just a month. After that, you have to go back to normal one, whereby your payment will just be within 3,000 naira. What you have to do, just upgrade now. What is it? Just 999, 1,000 naira. Just use it to it and keep enjoying your services. So now, me, I want to, you see, people normally their subscription is 2,000 every month. So instead of me to now wait till I enjoy their premium service for a month and I will now start subscribing to 2,000 every month, what is stopping me to just look for 1,000 and upgrade? And I know that I don't need to buy anything again from them. I don't need to upgrade anything again from them. So now, join me now as I upgrade my account. You should know my name, Afolabi. My email address is already there, you know, based on my last detail I used to input. Now I click on upgrade. Now it has popped up. Let me input my card number. Now that I have input my card number, the next thing is I click on pay. Don't forget, I already have the money in my account, which is 1,000 naira. So now I will input my PIN. So it will automatically go to the next page. You see, I will authorize. So it's telling me that they sent OTP to me. So now let me just input the OTP. Now my OTP is available now. I'm inputting it. Have you seen? I've made payment successfully, so I'm waiting for you. See, thanks for paying. See, congrats, your account has been successfully upgraded to premium. You see, that's all. Now, once you have upgraded your account successfully, you have to perform the same that you perform when you pay your $399. What you have to do is, after you reach here, congratulations, your premium account has been upgraded. You go to your mail, you got your mail, you receive message from task culture and Paystack. So now Paystack, we will need these 3 details from you. These 3 details, we will need them. First, your name, email, phone number, and reference, which are details we will need. So for you to get your reference ID, which is your payment ID, it's simple. The tax culture will always send it to you and paste that. So this is it. This is the detail we need. So this is the detail we need. You see, send it to me immediately. Even so, if we could not locate this mail, you can locate the Paystack. They will always send it to you. You see it. They will always send it to you. This is it here. So if it's not even this one that you locate, the last one, can you see? This is it here. So once you locate it, copy it, then put in all together like this example here. Just like the last payment you made on your $399 before you upgrade, just do the same thing. Use it here. Sample like this one. This first name, last name, email address, phone number, payment ID. See, there you come here. I'll drop the link in the description. So you can click on contact us page, or you join the Telegram group. So once you join the Telegram group, you paste it there, or you use the contact us page and you paste it there. My account has been upgraded successfully. I don't have anything. All what I've just do is, don't worry, I'll shoot another video on how to set up your seller account. This is just a basic video on how to register as a freelancer on task culture. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also turn on the notification